The Birth of the Clinic is a book by Michel Foucault published in 1963. In this work, Foucault analyzes the emergence of the modern medical clinic in Western society during the late 18th and early 19th centuries. He examines the ways in which medical knowledge and power were transformed during this period and how this transformation was reflected in the organization and functioning of the clinic. Foucault argues that prior to the emergence of the modern clinic, medical knowledge was primarily based on personal experience, intuition, and a set of traditional beliefs and practices that were handed down from generation to generation. Physicians relied on their own observations and the testimony of their patients to diagnose and treat illness, and there was little standardization or codification of medical knowledge. In contrast, the modern clinic, according to Foucault, is characterized by a new form of medical power that is based on the systematic collection and analysis of medical data. Medical knowledge is now based on scientific observation and experimentation, and physicians rely on objective measures such as laboratory tests and imaging studies to diagnose and treat illness. The clinic is seen as a place where medical knowledge and power are concentrated and applied to individual patients in a systematic and standardized manner. Foucault argues that the emergence of the modern clinic is linked to the emergence of new forms of social and political power in Western society during the late 18th and early 19th centuries. As the power of the monarchy and the aristocracy declined, new forms of power emerged that were based on scientific knowledge and expertise. Medicine played a key role in this transformation, as physicians became important figures in the emerging institutions of modern society, such as hospitals, universities, and government bureaucracies. Foucault also examines the ways in which medical power is manifested in the clinic. He argues that physicians exercise power over patients not only through their diagnostic and therapeutic interventions but also through the ways in which they observe and document the patient's body. The medical gaze, as Foucault calls it, is a powerful tool for the production and reproduction of medical knowledge and power. Overall, The Birth of the Clinic is a seminal work in the history and philosophy of medicine that has had a profound influence on the field of medical humanities. It has sparked new debates and discussions about the nature of medical knowledge and power, the relationship between medicine and society, and the role of the physician in modern society.